Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to monitor spending in Monday.com, the complete 2025 guide. First things first, open your Monday.com dashboard and head straight to the budget tracker or finance management template. You can find this by clicking on the plus icon on the left side of your dashboard. This is where you'll be tracking all your spending data. It's crucial because it's your central location for all your financial info. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating your spend column. Click on Add Column and select the Numbers option. This column will be where you input all your expenses. The reason we do this is to have a clear and concise place to keep track of every dollar spent. Next up, add a Date column. This is important because it allows you to see when exactly each expense was made. It's as simple as clicking on Add Column again and selecting Date. At this point, you might be wondering what's happening behind the scenes. Well, Monday.com is using these columns to help you visualize your spending over time. Now on to step 4. Remember to regularly update your spend and date columns with your latest expenses. It's critical to keep your tracker updated so that you can accurately monitor your spending. Now to the final step. You can use Monday.com's chart view to visualize your spending. Just click on Add View, then Chart. This helps us because it provides an easy-to-understand graphical representation of your spending patterns. And just like that, you're now a pro at monitoring your spending in Monday.com. It's an efficient way to keep your finances in check and make sure you're staying within your budget. To wrap up, remember, always update your expenses and regularly check your chart view. With these steps, you'll be on top of your spending in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on the channel.